You're being lied to. You don't need Windows for gaming. You don't need Mac for stability, and you don't need to waste $1,000 on a server license. Hey, my friends, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you just 3 Linux distros could cover 99% of your needs? Whether it's for office work, coding, hosting a server, or gaming at 4K, this trio is all you need. No compromises. Let's break it down.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
At number 1, Ubuntu. Windows, as we know, can interrupt workflow by forcing an update mid-Zoom call. Macs cost $2,000 to code. Ubuntu's LTS releases, which are the first on our list, get 5 years of patches. What this means is that the releases are supported and maintained with security updates and bug fixes for 5 years after the initial release. Due to this, LTS releases are always the most stable and secure, and there are no forced reboots. Another aspect where Ubuntu comes in handy is in the aspect of workstations. Drivers? Pre-installed. Printer? Supported. That annoying Wi-Fi dongle? Sorted. It comes preloaded with every tool you need. For developers, you can install Docker, Python, and VS Code all with one command. For creators, DaVinci Resolve runs native. Lastly, why pay for Microsoft Office subscriptions when you can use LibreOffice with its full functionalities for free? At number 2, Debian. The reason your server is crashing often is because you're not using Debian. Windows Server costs $500 a year, while a Mac OS server can cost up to $2,000 a year. Debian, on the other hand, is a free operating system, meaning you don't pay a licensing fee to use it. However, using Debian on a server requires infrastructure. For this, you'll need a physical server or a virtual server on a cloud platform like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. If you're buying a physical server, costs vary depending on the specifications, while for a virtual server, it may vary based on the resources allocated. Prices can range from $395 to $49.95 per month. What makes Debian a choice tool for servers lies in its stability and security. The Debian stable release undergoes rigorous testing before being released. The aim is to preserve application binary interfaces, ABIs, across releases, which helps maintain compatibility between software and hardware. In case of critical issues or security updates, Debian provides point releases to address them. The third distro we would be talking about is Pop! OS. Gamers, do you know that Windows is stealing 20% of your FPS? Don't worry, Pop! OS is your secret weapon. This is a distro built for performance. The CPU, GPU cranks your Macs, and Proton runs Windows games flawlessly. Want hybrid graphics? You're just one click of switching away. Steam? Pre-configured. Even creators love it for Blender, Unreal Engine. Let's not forget Vulkan support, which crushes Macs. This is the future. So, my friends, this is where we call it a day. You can install all 3 for free from one USB stick. $0 versus $500 in OS licenses? It's a no-brainer. Together, they cover 90% of computing needs without compromise. Install Ubuntu on your office laptop, deploy Debian on a Raspberry Pi server, and game on a Pop! OS-powered mini-PC, all with Linux's security and open-source ethos. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you want more. Until then, goodbye for now.